A shop sells pen at 10 rupees each and notebook at 30 rupees each. Write an expression for the total cost of buying P pen and N notebooks. So the variables that the question is asking us to use is P and N. See, one thing that I want to make a point over here is that the variables can be anything. Like literally it can be anything. It can be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, anything. Or when it comes to our code, we use the entire sentence like K, kg hyphen or underscore actually, Jaggery or Jaggery cost. So we can use entire sentence. This is preferred when it comes to coding. When it comes to writing over here, we use small letters and it can be, A to Z, anything. Right? So that's the point of let them giving the variables. Because many of your seniors, what I've seen is they are used to taking X and Y as the variables. And if anything else, they get confused. To be honest, even Y, they get confused. So from this question, you will learn that we can use any variable. Now, what are the steps? Have a look at the steps. Starting with analysis, figure out what is that we have to find, break down the problem. Yeah, please do all of this. Let's start with analysis. Okay, what is that we have to figure out? We have to figure out the total cost buying P pens and N note. Then let's break it down. So we have P pen and N notebooks. So let me draw a notebook like that. Okay, guys. So a rough diagram always helps. That is what I prefer. So we don't know how many pens are there. So we know that there can be many of them. So again, this can be a rough diagram. I mean, it is a rough diagram actually. So what is the basic funda over here? Okay, if the cost of a pen is 2, it's not 2, but it's never 2, say 2 rupees, and the book says say 20 rupees. So how do you find the total cost? Yes, you add all of them. Because there are 4 2's, so we'll end up doing 4 into 2. And since there are 2 of books which cost 20, so 20 into 2, right? Or 2 into 20. Let me not actually use 20. Let me use some other number now because it's kind of confusing. Let me use 12. So 4 into 12 and 2 into 20. Do you guys agree? Right? So this is how you figure out the total cost. So basically this is what? This is number of pens. And this is cost of a pen. But since actually we know the cost of the pen, it's at 10 rupees. So all of this will be 10 basically. And this is what? This is number of books. Number of books. And this is cost of the book. So this is the entire funda. So with this in mind, we can, okay, why is it not coming? Just a second. Yeah, now it came. With this in mind, can you guys think about what is given, what is not given, what is unknown and what is known? Known quantity will be correct. Cost of a pen, which is rupees 10, and cost of a notebook, which is rupees 30. And unknown is what? Unknown is, let me change the color. Number of books, that is N, and number of pens, that is P. And now the what? After this, we have the working. So what is the basic idea? Total cost will be equal to sum of, yes, sum of, correct, total cost of pens and plus total cost of the book, or I can rewrite it as sum of product of cost of a pen and cost of a pen and number of pen and product of cost of a notebook and number of notebook. Sorry, my hand is paining a bit, so the handwriting is bad. Okay, basically this has to be converted to mathematical symbol. Equal means equal to sign. Sum means we need to add what? Add basically the product of this. Basically this two has to be added. Sum of this two. So sum and this and put together, you will write a positive symbol over there. Product means into product of cost of a pen and the number of pen and cost of a notebook into number of notebook. Right, guys? So product of cost of a pen. Cost of a pen is what? Cost of a pen is 10. Number of pen is P. So basically this is equal to 10 into P plus this is 30 into N. 30 into N, right? Number of notebook is given by N. Cost of a notebook is 30, right? So cost of a pen is 10 and number of pen is P. So 30 into N, 10 into P. And that's our working. Okay, guys, again, this is a very slow process, I agree. But it is helpful if you learn this way. So my request is, even if you see a shorter version, at least for next few months, please do in this manner. Even if you do 5 problems, if you do it this way, in the future, your speed will be so fast. I mean, you guys will be so fast that others will, others will feel very slow. I mean, you guys will be doing problems very quickly, a lot faster than anyone else can, basically. I'll put it that way, provided you work slowly for the next 3 to 4 months. Slowly.